It's fourth quarter, last 6 minutes plus. Houston was leading in the first half, but they keep on missing their 3-point shots. I think they missed 26 before making one. Finally, one. But hey, yeah, their number one offensive weapon, the 3-pointer, has not been helping them. So this is a big challenge now. They're down by 10 with 6 minutes and 11 seconds. Will the Rockets come back? It's win or go home time. Game 7. Looks like it's another Cleveland Cavaliers versus the Golden State Warriors. Wow, imagine. It's gonna be their 4th straight NBA Finals against each other. Wow.
The number 1 team in the NBA this year was...
So guys, the Golden State Warriors gonna meet the Cleveland Cavaliers after a magnificent performance in Game 7. Actually, what changed everything was the third quarter, where they outscored Houston by 18 points. Houston was leading by around 11, and then they turned around in the third quarter. They missed like 26 straight 3-pointers. So here are 3 factors that made the Golden State Warrior win. First, third quarter, it was just they dominated the third quarter. They've been dominating the third quarter for the series, but this one was really crucial. Number 2 is the 3-point shooting of Houston Rockets. Like, man, they missed our NBA record 26 straight 3-pointers for playoffs. That's for a team that relies on 3-point shooting. Missing 26 straight, it's just gonna be fatal. And third, I think the injury of Chris Paul really was a factor. With only Harden and no Chris Paul, I think it was an easier ball game for Golden State. But yeah, Houston had an awesome season. They built a team that could beat Golden State, but I guess the injury, the breaks of the game didn't go their way, so they have to wait another year to get back against the Golden State Warriors. And this coming Friday, it's gonna be the game 1 of the NBA Finals. So who's your bet? Is it the Cleveland Cavaliers or the Golden State Warriors? Let me know, guys. This is gonna be exciting. I think for me, it's the Warriors that are gonna be favored. But hey, LeBron, I've never seen LeBron this good for a while. So let's see what happens. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope you watch more of my reaction videos, also about my other food videos.